Okay. Welcome to Games Nai. Today I want to fix something that is so annoying. It does annoy me at times. Once you install the mods, then you start the GtA-5, you don't see anything. As in the game will just go round and round. It's called infinite game start. It will not load, but it will start. So I want to do a very short and brief. You do as simple as this. You go to your GtA-5. By now, if you are already installing mods, probably you have this mod folder. So you come to update first. Take this 64. You copy this one. This file here. It's called metadata. You copy. Let's copy that one first. Then go back, then come to mods now. Open mods, updates, go to 64, then paste, replace this one. You replace, paste, yes, replace this one, because there will be one existing. Then let us again go back. I think I should somehow get a bigger view. Let us again go back here, come to view. That one will just be a list. Okay, we come to update again. Open up update. Copy this up.rpf. This one. Copy that one. Get back to now. Go to mods. Updates. Paste it here. It will just replace. It is replacing the ones that are existing there. Okay, and that is all you need to do. From that, close your game folder, then open up the start the Grand Theft Auto. Okay, you've seen mine has worked. I also had the same issue, but now it's working okay after doing that. So with that, goodbye for today. For those who haven't yet subscribed to this channel of mine, kindly subscribe.